Hello everyone, good evening. I hope I am audible to all of you and the screen is also visible. Please do let me know in the comment section. Am I audible? Yes, you can just let me know in the comment section is everything fine at your end so that we can start with our class. Good evening to all those who have joined. Hello Vimlesh. Vimlesh, am I audible to you? Please let me know in the comment section if I'm audible. Okay, then it's fine. Thank you, Vimlesh, for your response. So we are gonna wait for like 1 or 2 minutes, right? Once everyone joins the class, then we will start. I hope it's fine, Vimlesh. Okay. And all those who are watching this live video, please respond in the comment section if everything is fine at their end so that we can start our class. Okay. Apart from Vimlesh, whosoever is here in the class, please respond. Voice is very slow. Okay. स्पिरिचुअल सिटी वॉइस ब्रेक होके आ रही है या फिर थोड़ा सा साउंड लो है व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम यस स्पिरिचुअल सिटी what is the problem? The sound is low or the voice is breaking down? Since it is the first day, so initial 5 to 10 minutes, maybe we can have some, technical issues. So please bear with us. Now tell me, is it fine now? Yes? Spiritual City and Vimlesh, is it fine now? Yeah, hi Alice, hi. I hope now it works better as compared to the previous sound. If it's better, please do let me know. Okay. I hope it's fine now, okay? So shall we start? I hope everything is fine now and we can start with our class. All right, so welcome back to everyone, and I hope all of you are doing good because we are meeting after a very long time. So, welcome back again. And this time I thought to start with a course which can be a little more helpful to you, since I know most of my students right now enrolling in masters, or they are about to complete their masters, and few of them are in their bachelors, and most of the people are requesting me to start with some programming language. So I thought, why not to start with Python? Okay, so initially I'll give you some information about what we are going to do in this course and how we are going to proceed with it. Okay, but before that, just one thing: if there is some problem either in the screen or in my audio, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, in between when I'm talking and we start with the course, if there is any problem, just let me know, I'll sort it out. And today, this is just our first class, so this is going to be an introductory session where we are going to talk about how we are going to start with our course. Okay, because I think since from tomorrow also a lot of students are going to join, so a lot of beginners, I hope so. Yeah, just respond me back. All of you are beginners, like you do not have any knowledge about the programming language or any other programming language apart from Python. Yeah, and you don't have any idea about. We will be starting from the very beginning, from scratch, from zero. So all those who don't have any background about these kind of things, don't worry, because I'll be covering everything from the scratch. Okay, so coming to the point, how we are going to continue with this course, because keeping in mind that none of you have any information about this course, so what I am going to do is I have divided this course into three modules. Okay, module 1, module 2 and module 3, out of which module 1 is very important, because uh, as soon as we'll progress, I'll tell you more things, but for now I'm just giving you a very simple and basic information, because before knowing any language and before doing coding, you should know about the syntax of that language, right? You should know how to convey your things to the computer. So in module 1 we'll be basically talking about the syntax, and this is the most important module. This is basically the foundation of this course. If you missed it, then you are not going to be very much comfortable in module 2 and module 3. So let me tell you what we will be covering in module 1. Okay, and don't worry, we'll be going very slow. Okay, if you are in intermediate level, then also no problem. So we will be going very slow. Okay, so it's not like that I am covering it in a very speed and you doesn't get what is going on here. So we will be covering from the scratch and very slowly. If you do not understand anything, just write it down in the comment section, I'll repeat it. Okay, so in module 1, first we will understand some basic functions. Okay, some basic functions, I mean to say, we have print function, for example, and then we have input function. So we will be understanding about these print function, and basically we'll understand what is the syntax, how do we use it, how do we write it down. Okay, so initially we'll go through few of the functions. Then the next thing we will be covering is constants and variables. So this is our module 1, where we'll be covering constants and variables. And this is not, I'm not writing down the order in which we will be studying this. I'm just writing out the highlights, what we will be covering in the module 1. Okay, the order may vary as we progress in the course. So functions, then constants and variables, like we should understand. And since you people are mathematics students, even if you are not, but if you are mathematics students, it would be very easy for you, because you know already everything. You just need to know how to write it down when you want to convey your things to the computers. Okay, so the next thing that we'll be covering is basic data types. Okay, so basic data types in Python. So I mean to say that, you know, in mathematics we have integer values, right? Then we have decimal numbers like 4.2, 4.3, and sometimes we have an integer like 2, 3, 4. Okay, so how to convey these things to the system? So for that they have divided kind of a data types, like we have integer, we have float. If you have a like collection of letters, for example your name like Alice, Vimlesh, okay, so these are the strings. So how to convey it to the computer? So we have divided it like integer value, float value. So we will be covering in detail. Right now I'm just giving you some information what is all about. Okay, after covering basic data types, and inside it we will also see how we can convert one data type to another data type. Okay, like if we have an integer value and we want to convert it into a string value or a boolean value or a float value, so we will also see as we will start it. Okay, next thing is, then we will be having something special about strings. As I told you, a string is one of the data type. A string is nothing but it's a collection of the characters or like letters, you can say. Okay, so like if you have your name like Sunny, then Sunny is a string. Okay, Alice, Alice is a string. सो कलेक्शन ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स, कैरेक्टर्स को हम लेटर्स बोलते हैं, बेसिकली जो लेटर होते हैं उनको हम इस लैंग्वेज में कैरेक्टर्स बोलते हैं. तो कलेक्शन ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स इज अ स्ट्रिंग. Okay, so we will be knowing a lot of things about string. बहुत सारे functions होंगे यहाँ पे, so we will see that. After that we will be understanding some of the operators in Python. Since all of you are mathematics students, so all of you know about the operators, like हम प्लस यूज करते हैं, माइनस यूज करते हैं, राइट? Addition, subtraction, multiplication. So all these are operators in mathematics. Similarly, we have some operators in Python language also. So we will see them one by one. Okay. After operators, one of the very important thing in Python that we will see, and those who have a little bit of idea about this language or any language, okay, be it a Java, Python, MATLAB, whatever, just syntax changes. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आप सबने सुना होगा इफ एल्स कंडीशन या नेस्टेड इफ, या फिर आपने फॉर लूप के बारे में समझा होगा, वाइल लूप होगा. So these are very important things, because whatever we want to do we cannot do it in most of the cases without their help. Okay, so like we will be go with if else statement, then we'll go with if else if and nested if. Okay, for loop. After that we can go with while loop also. Is there any lag? Okay. uh Alice, I think there is a lag for like 3 or 4 seconds, and I hope you people can manage with that. Yeah, because it's a live streaming, so there is always a lag of uh approximately 4 5 seconds, so I hope all of you can manage with that. Okay, so if there is some problem, whatever I'm telling you, you can ask me in the comment section, no matter if there is any lag. Okay, so today please manage with this, because since it's our first class and we have started it after a very long time, so maybe by tomorrow we can fix everything. Okay, yeah, so please note it down and let me know if you are done. So today's session is also a very like short session for like 15 or 20 minutes. So I hope everybody can manage. From tomorrow onwards, we can manage everything. Apart from it, can all of you tell me if I am audible clearly, like voice is breaking or not? Just let me know so that we can proceed. If there is any issue, please do let me know. Alice, Sunny, Vimlesh, like voice is okay or not? No issue? Fine, alright. Then we can continue. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So after if else, nested if, for loop and while loop, we will be covering one more important thing, that is the types of object in Python. Alright. So types of object in Python. This is also very important. Okay. If there is no problem, then we can continue. And from tomorrow onwards, we will be trying to solve this issue and everything is gonna fine by tomorrow. Okay. So this is what I'm going to cover in module 1. Okay, I know the things are completely new for all of you, so you might face some issue, but as I said, I will be going very slow and I'll try to cover everything very slowly, so that even if anyone has any problem, you can just ask in the class itself. Okay, so this is module 1 and this is very important. This is not for jam, Ayush. I already told you. This is not for jam. Once you will get admission through IIT jam in any institute, then it is going to help you out. Otherwise, it is very important. Okay. So if you have a good command in module 1, then you are ready to go forward for the things which are even advanced from it. Okay. सो यहाँ पे हम ये सीख लेंगे कि सिंटेक्स क्या होता है, यानी किसी भी लैंग्वेज को हम लिखते कैसे हैं. तो स्पेशली वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट पाइथन. तो पाइथन में हम कैसे लिखेंगे चीज़ों को, दैट वी विल सी. जब हम ये कोर्स शुरू करेंगे कल से, फंक्शंस को, कॉन्स्टेंट्स को, देन यू विल सी ओके, जस्ट लाइक इफ आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू, सो आई एम यूजिंग अ लैंग्वेज, राइट? इंग्लिश, Hindi, I am using a language to convey things from myself to your end, right? Are you understanding? I need a language. So I am talking to you in English and Hindi. So English and Hindi are the languages through which I can convey my things to you. In a similar way, if you want your things to be conveyed to the system, then Python is a language. In a similar way, we have other languages like Java, right? So from tomorrow, once we will start, so you will understand, okay, if I want to ask my system that print something, तो आप उसको कैसे बोलोगे कि इसको प्रिंट कर. ओके, दैट्स, उसको हम कहते हैं सिंटेक्स. सिंटेक्स का मतलब कि कैसे लिखना है, कैसे कन्वे करना है सिस्टम को कि ये मेरा काम है, इसको कर दो. ओके, सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स वी विल कवर इन मॉड्यूल 1 एंड ये मॉड्यूल थोड़ा सा ज्यादा टाइम लेगा बिकॉज मैं बहुत स्लो जाऊंगी. और इन केस इफ एनी वन इज फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम, हम लाइव क्लास में हैं क्योंकि, सो यू कैन आस्क मी ऑन द स्पॉट एंड वी विल ट्राई टू सॉर्ट इट आउट. ओके, सो आप जितना कमेंट सेक्शन में एक्टिव रहोगे ड्यूरिंग लाइव सेशन, like if you have any problem, don't wait ki session will get over and then I will try, and if I have any problem I'll ask tomorrow. No, on the spot, if you have any problem, you are getting any error, just let me know from tomorrow. Okay, so this is what I have planned for module 1. Once we are going to finish with our module 1, then we will go to module 2. Python has some very important libraries, okay, pre-installed libraries, जिसको हम inbuilt libraries कहते हैं, and those libraries are very important for us. Okay, so we will also understand few of the libraries, like आपने कुछ लोगों ने सुना होगा NumPy array के बारे में. So we will be understanding about the NumPy library. Okay, after that we will go with pandas data frame, and I will also explain you what is the importance of this course and why I am starting with this. Okay, so just wait for like 5 to 10 minutes. Once I'll tell you what we are going to do in module 1 and module 2, so then we will proceed. Hello Rudra. Okay, so pandas data frame, and there is a very important matplot library. So matplot library also we are going to cover. Okay, suppose since we all are, yes, Alice, I'm coming to that. Since we all are mathematics students, okay, so if I ask you people, what is the graph of sin x, Yeah, if I am giving you x and I want you to plot a graph for sin x, so since you all are mathematics students and you have a pen and paper and you will convey your things to me, so you will tell me, ma'am, this is the graph of the sin x. Yeah, but if you want your system to give you the graph of sin x, then there should be something. Yeah, I asked you give me the graph of sin x, so you gave me. Okay, so how you are going to ask your system to give me the the graph of sin x? Okay, so these are the libraries which can help us a lot. So जब भी हम graphs की बात करेंगे, हमको कुछ भी draw करना होगा, figures draw करने होंगे, right, chart draw करने होंगे, so in that case we need the libraries like matplot library, and many other libraries are also there, like we have scikit-learn library, cbond. So as soon as we will progress in this course, we will see few more libraries, but for since this is a basic course and for the time being, since you people are very new, so we will understand only these three libraries, then we will proceed further. All right, so till this point, is it clear to everyone? I hope so. There is no issue till this point. Yeah. All right, now coming to what we are going to cover in module 3. Okay, so module 3 is for numerical methods. All right, so we will be talking few more things about it, like आप सब या तो ग्रेजुएशन में होगे या मास्टर्स में होगे, राइट? So all of you might have covered a course on numerical analysis, right? Numerical analysis course, you might have gone through different number of methods. Like if you want to solve an equation, then you might have gone through bisection method, Newton-Raphson method, right? Or you can have many other methods, right? If you want to find out the eigenvalues and all that, then you might have gone through Jacobi method. Yeah, या फिर कभी कभी हम सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन सॉल्व करते हैं, वहां पे तो हम गॉसियन एलिमिनेशन मेथड का यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, सो दैट्स योर मैथमेटिकल लैंग्वेज. ओके, यू प्रोसीड इट इन योर मैथमेटिक्स वे. बट व्हाट इफ यू वांट योर सिस्टम टू सॉल्व अ सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन? So you need to tell your system, so you should have a language. So numerical methods is for this. Okay, and why do we need this is that, so we already have an answer. If you want to find out the eigenvalue for a 2 cross 2 matrix, it's okay. 3 cross 3, it's okay. 4 cross 4 also you can find it out. But suppose if its order is 10 cross 10, 20 cross 20, yeah, then it's not possible for you. So you need to have a method which can do all these things in seconds. Yeah, एंड लाइक अगर मैं बाइसेक्शन मेथड्स की बात करूं, न्यूटन रैप्सन मेथड की बात करूं, तो आप आइटरेशन करते हो ना, और आप तब तक आइटरेट करते हो जब तक आपको दो आइटरेशन पे अप्रोक्सीमेट सेम रिजल्ट ना मिले. जैसे ही अप्रोक्सीमेट सेम रिजल्ट मिलता है, यू स्टॉप एंड यू से द अप्रोक्सीमेट सोल्यूशन इज दिस, राइट? So, and I think neither I nor you people like to iterate it like 10 times. After 10 times, if you are getting solution of two iterations approximately same, then you say okay, this is the solution. Nobody likes it. So like एक बार आप कोड लिखोगे और फिर बस इक्वेशन बदलेगी, सोल्यूशन आपको मिल जाएगा. Okay, so this is the better version to do it. That's why we are proceeding into this course. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम बहुत सारे numerical methods देखेंगे, like we'll go for bisection method, Newton-Raphson, Runge-Kutta and all that, and we'll try to code them all with the help of Python. Okay, so numerical methods with Python, that is why I have named this course numerical methods with Python. And if this course goes well in a very good way and you people respond very good, so maybe we can proceed after that to the machine learning, but not that is going to be the different course, that is not going to be in this course. Okay, so we will also try to launch a new course on machine learning and deep learning if you people want after this course. Okay, now coming to the point why this course is important for all of you, those who are already enrolled in masters, I don't think so I need to tell them why this course is important, but those who are in their graduation and all, still I should tell them. Initially, if you are in your whenever you will be enrolling in your masters, you have to code. You will get your masters project where you have to use any of the language, either wherever you are comfortable, but most of the time we use Python. And right now most of the people are working with Python, because as you know, a lot of things are going on, and Python is a quite easy language, right? So we can also learn it and try to code here. And when you are enrolled in your masters, you will see you will get a different projects where you have to solve real life problems also. So whenever we are dealing with real life problems, we need these numerical methods, right? Mathematically we have to solve the problem, so we sometimes we need these numerical methods, so we need to code, which makes our task a little easy. Manually doing it, like impossible job, next to impossible. So rather than doing it manually, we code it and we get the solution very easily. Okay. I'm not saying that this course is going to be super duper easy for you, right? Because you people are very new. But yeah, if you attend the class daily, not recorded live class, okay? If you are going to attend the live class daily and try to solve all your issues here only, then it would be easy for you, okay? Of course, if you want to get some placement, especially in MNCs, then you need to have the information and the knowledge about the codings and all that. Okay. So as you know, we will proceed to it slowly. Why these languages are important? Okay, because Python has a lot of inbuilt libraries which makes our task a little easier. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, what I need from all of you is that, okay, today I'm not going to teach any new thing. There is a reason behind it. Why? Because it's not the course that usually we proceed, like you are watching the live video on your phone and you are sitting with your notebook or pen paper and you are doing it. Okay, this course is not about it. And अगर कोर्स ये सीखना है तो you should not proceed like आप लेक्चर देख रहे हो और आप सब कुछ एक नोटबुक लेके बैठे हो और उस पे नोट कर रहे हो. ओके, देन यू विल नॉट गोइंग टू लर्न दिस कोर्स. इस कोर्स को हमें थोड़ा डिफरेंट वे में करना है. एंड द बेटर वे टू लर्न दिस कोर्स इज दैट you should have your phone and with your laptop. Okay, please sit in the class with your phone as well as with your laptop. On your phone, you should be watching the live video, and on your laptop, you should be doing exactly what I am doing on or whatever you are seeing on your screen. Okay, that's the better way. Like if I am coding, then you should also be coding at the same time. And why I am telling you the reason behind it is that, suppose मैंने एक code लिखा, okay, print and something, say I wrote it here, print hello. Okay, मैंने print hello लिखा एंड मैंने अभी रन किया अपने सिस्टम पे, वो रन हो गया, आपको आपकी स्क्रीन पे दिख गया. ओके, आपने पेन पेपर से सब कुछ किया क्लास में. आफ्टर लाइव क्लास व्हेन यू ट्राई टू रिवाइज इट, और अब आपने अपने सिस्टम पे क्या किया, उसको रन किया. अब वो रन नहीं हो रहा है. सो व्हाट विल यू डू नाउ? एंड नाउ यू हैव नोबडी टू आस्क, राइट? अब कुछ एरर आ रहा है, वो रन नहीं हो रहा है, तो क्या करोगे? एंड आपके साथ बाकी सारे जो बच्चे थे वो क्लास में सेम टाइम पे कर रहे थे, उनका रन हो गया. अब नेक्स्ट डे जब मैं आऊंगी तो मैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक लेकर आऊंगी ना, and then you will ask me, yeah, I'll clear the doubt, no problem, but there would be problem to other students also, right? I hope you understand that. So that is why I'm telling you ki sit with me and do the coding at the same time. Do not sit with pen and paper. This course is not about pen and paper. This is all about your practice. As much as you can code, it will give you a better practice and it will make your coding portion much stronger. Okay, pen and paper are not going to help you in this course. So, and tomorrow please sit with your laptops, because कोडिंग करने के लिए I will tell you हमें कोड करना कहाँ पे. तो कल हम कुछ चीजें इंस्टॉल करेंगे, तो it would be great if you are doing it with me, so that if any student has any problem, just write it in the comment section, so that I will tell you, okay, अगर ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है, then what is the next step, what you can do to solve that error. Okay, so please sit with your laptops. because I'm going to tell you few things to install on your laptop where you can code easily, and then we will start with basic things like few functions, print function, input function, and all that. Is it clear to everyone till now? Yeah, I hope so. It is okay. So again, we will be meeting tomorrow, same time, 4:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. सो 4:30 पे हम दोबारा मिलेंगे, एंड कल का हमारा टास्क क्या है? सबसे पहले हम इंस्टॉल करेंगे पाइथन को अपने सिस्टम पे, लैपटॉप पे, एंड उसके बाद हम कोडिंग वाला जो पोर्शन है वो स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है? कुछ चीजें लिखने को भी रहेंगी, दैट आई विल टेल यू, उसको आप वहीं पे लिख सकते हो, ओके? आई विल टेल यू कि आपको पेन पेपर की नीड क्या क्यों नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर आपको कुछ टेक्स्ट भी लिखना है तो आप वहीं लिख सकते हो अपने कोड पे, सो दैट जब व्हेन यू गो थ्रू दैट कोड अगेन तो आपको पता हो ओके ये क्या था, तो आपको पेन पेपर की नीड नहीं है. वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू राइट विद pen on your paper, you can also write it down wherever you are coding, okay? Any suggestions for gate aspirants? All the best, Alice. This is what I can suggest, okay? Keep revising the things because the exam is quite near, so keep revising, keep looking at the PYQs. This is what I can suggest, okay? And don't worry, cracking gate exam even is much easier as compared to IT jam, okay? So don't worry. You might have seen there are a number of students who were preparing for IT jam and they also cleared gate exam, okay? So don't worry. So is there any problem in today's session? So what we covered today was that we have divided this course into 3 different modules, right? Our module 1, then our module 2, and module 3. And what we are going to cover, I have also told you. In module 1, we are going to cover the basic things, which is basically the syntax, okay? So syntax we have already covered, I told you, and if you do not know the syntax, then you cannot come to the module 2 and module 3. So it is very important for you to understand the module 1 and practice. And don't worry, after covering all these parts, okay, listen to me. After covering all these parts, we are going to write small programs, okay? सो डोंट वरी, हम बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. जब तक आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो जाओगे लैंग्वेज के साथ, वी विल नॉट प्रोसीड टू द मॉड्यूल 3, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मॉड्यूल 3 पे हम तब तक नहीं आएंगे जब तक मॉड्यूल 1 क्लियर नहीं हो जाए. तो ये बेसिक चीजें खत्म करने के बाद हम छोटे छोटे प्रोग्राम्स लिखेंगे, सो दैट वी कैन गेट कॉन्फिडेंस अबाउट आर कोडिंग. लाइक अगर आप सिस्टम से मांगोगे एक नंबर, ओके, give me a number मिला, and then you will ask okay whether this number is a palindrome number or not, okay? समझ आ रहा है? So we will see. तो हम वो छोटा सा प्रोग्राम लिखेंगे सो दैट हमें कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाए, ओके हम कोडिंग कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? सपोज मैंने आपको बोला कि सिस्टम से एक नाम मांगो, तो सपोज आपने कोई नाम लिया और फिर आप देखोगे कि क्या उस नाम को जब हम रिवर्स कर रहे हैं तो क्या वो दोनों जो नाम है वो सेम है या नहीं है, ठीक है? सो ये छोटे छोटे प्रोग्राम्स हम लिखेंगे सो दैट वी कैन get a little bit of confidence about coding, and then we are ready to face a big obstacle which is waiting here for us, okay? And we will be going very slowly because this is completely new. So all those people who will be having any problem in the live class only, we will be settling it down over there itself, okay? So any problem? Because if there is no problem, we can wind up this session, and we will be meeting tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. again a live class, okay? लाइव क्लास होगी, उस पे हम मिलेंगे, और उस लाइव क्लास में कल से हम इंस्टॉलेशन देखेंगे, एंड इंस्टॉलेशन के बाद वी विल गो फॉर द थिंग्स लाइक विच आई हैव डिस्कस्ड राइट नाउ, functions, then constants and variables. No problem? Okay, then it's fine. So I think we should wind up this session, and hopefully this course will give you a lot of things which can help you in your future, in your master's courses or in your jobs, okay, and give you new job opportunities as well. So thank you so much for all of you joining this session. Have a nice day. Till then, bye bye, take care, and see you all tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.